Now we're going to figure out what we want to put on the pegboard to match the pins. So stay tuned. I'll do a little B-roll. Alright guys, I wanted to jump in real quick and let you guys know that I think it costs $10. You can grab this pegboard at Ikea. The pins, the Disney pins will fit and stay on. I did find one where it didn't stay real tight, but otherwise it does work. What else? Let me cut this down. Cutting the letters kind of took a really long time, so be prepared to that, or just have your child do it. The instructions, I don't think they really need it. I like it because you can change the words. It comes with its own little stand, so that part is really cool. I think I saw it where people were using it for weddings and different events, but I thought it'd be cool for the house. And kind of to track how many pins. Maybe I'll add a number of how many pins we have. Do like a month countdown. Either way, it'd be kind of cool. So thought I will share this. Hopefully it will help someone. We're not big pin collectors. Also reach out below if you really see a pin you want to trade or something, because like I said, we don't collect them to keep. We just have gathered some over the years of being Disney fans, obsessions or whatever. Thanks for watching again, and I'll throw some music in the background, and I hope this helps someone. This is a way for my son to track what he has. I thought it'd be kind of cool. Take care, guys, and thanks for watching again. Like, comment, subscribe.